Hey traders, today I'm gonna show you how to scalp forex or gold on low time frames like M5 and M1. This strategy is easy to understand and you can practice right after watching this video, so make sure you stick around till the end. Talk about scalping. For the best results, scalping works better with a broker that has tight spread. Why does this matter? Because scalping runs in low time frames. If the spread is too wide, it eats into the room you need to get your take profit. Wide spread limit your profits. That's why picking the right broker is a big deal. You need to find one that actually gives you the best spreads. My recommendation, use XAUUSD for scalping, guys. Why? Because XAUUSD has super tight spreads. If you want the tightest spreads XAUUSD has to offer, just open one of their pro accounts. But you don't have to, because even in the standard account, the spread is really tight compared to other brokers. I'll show you the proof. This is the XAUUSD chart on 1 minute. The spread is incredibly thin for a standard account, guys. You'd have a hard time finding a standard account which the spread is this good anywhere else. With XAUUSD, even just using standard account, the spread is really good for scalping, guys. Now imagine if you open one of their pro account, it's gonna be amazing. Here are the tier of XAUUSD accounts based on their spread. The number one XAUUSD account that has best spread is on zero account. You can see here all the pairs has zero spread, guys. But you need to pay the commission starting from $0.05 up to $3.5 per lot. And the second tier is low spread. Low spread account, you need to pay commission also $3.5 per lot, even though some of the pairs has spread, but mostly of them also has zero spread, guys. And the third account is pro account. Pro account is perfect for you who want the best spread but you don't want to pay the commission. Pro account doesn't apply commission but give you very good spread, like you can see in this picture. And then number 4 is standard account. As you can see, like I showed you earlier, we can see it on XAUUSD M1. The standard account is categorized as the good for scalping. Also, the spread is good for scalping. Okay, bottom line, for scalping, just go with XAUUSD. Go ahead and click the XAUUSD link in the description down below, or you can access rebrand.ly/XAUUSDGO in your browser. Alright, let's get into the actual scalping method. But make sure you support me, guys, by clicking that subscribe button if you want this kind of contents regularly from me. Alright, this strategy uses martingale style, meaning you add more orders with bigger or even double sizes with your previous order when the minus occur. Here is how martingale works. This is an example of a buy scenario. You start with a small lot, price drops, so you add another buy with a bigger lot, drops again, so you add more, and so on. When price eventually reverses, the profit from the larger lots at the bottom covers the losses from the smaller orders above. With the strategy I'm teaching today, from my experience, the maximum of added order is about 7 times, guys. So make sure to manage the risk wisely. You can start with small lot at the beginning if you use limited capital. Now let's talk about the indicators and how to trade with them. The first indicator is Bollinger Bands with default setting. For you beginner traders, if you don't know how to add indicator to your MT5, here is how you do it. Go to the chart menu and find this F light button, something like F. Click that and then main window and pick which indicator you want to add to the chart to MT5 mobile. The second indicator is moving average. Please follow this setting. Moving average 50, method exponential, apply to close. You can use whichever color you like. Blue is my favorite. And now let's talk about the rule for this strategy. The rule is we wait until this setup happens. We use 2 time frames. The first time frame as a signal time frame. Because we are scalping, we can use M5 and M1. Let's say M5 is the signal time frame, and then the lower time frame is the entry time frame from M5, and then we move to M1. Here is how to trade with this strategy, guys. First, we we must wait until the MA50 crosses outside the Bollinger Band. If it crosses outside the top BB, it's for buy signal, and crosses below the low BB, it's a sell signal. After we found the signal, like I just said, and then we go to the lower time frame, which is M1, and make entry. I will right away practice it. I want to give a mark here. This is when the setup began. The MA crosses outside from this candle. Go to M1. Okay, this is what we do on the entry time frame. M5 is signal time frame, M1 is for entry time frame. On entry time frame, we need to wait until the candle. This is for buy scenario, right? So for buy, we need to wait on M1 until candle touches the low BB. It touches here. After it's touched like that, we wait until make reversal candle. For downtrend is green candle. On that reversal candle is our first entry. This is our first buy. Remember, always start with small, especially if you trade with limited capital, because this is martingale style. And then to make the second order, we need to wait until price make new swing. What is swing? This is swing, guys. Like this is low, right? Swing of a trend. The trend will start from here, high, low, right? And then lower high, lower low. This high is swing. This low is swing. This lower high swing, lower low swing. So wait until the price make new swing and make another reverse. This is the new swing or new low and make new reverse candle. Okay, this is the second order with bigger lot or even double of the previous order. I want to delete it. The rule for entry time frame is wait until it touches the outer BB, which are low BB or top BB. Okay, after it touches, and then make a reversal candle. The candle that difference from the majority candle. The majority is red, and then there is a green candle. This is the reversal candle. What if the new swing is too near? I usually don't add new order if the new swing and reversal candle is too near with previous one. Like this, I don't. So from this example, I will only make two. The beneficial of martingale strategy is when the price goes up, even though it doesn't touch the first order, we already profit, guys. Let's say even though the price just went here, we already profit. The profit from the bigger lot order will cover the losses of the smaller order in the above, like that. So that was for buy scenario. I will also make another example for sell scenario, guys. Okay, now it's turn for sell scenario. We find the MA50 outside the bands here. This is the sell signal on M5, and then we jump to M1, find the best place for entry. This is not yet place of entry. Wait until it touches the top BB and make a red candle. Okay, it's gonna be our first sell order. Okay, nice. It's make new swing and reversal, but it's too near with the first one, so I would like to skip it. This one is okay, not too near. Okay, the second order, that's it. It's not yet touched the MA50, so it's still valid to add more cells. Make new swing but too near, skip it. Okay, price start to reversing. Not yet. Okay, still valid to make more cells. Okay. Yep, and the price reverse so far, and now reaches the MA50. Okay, this is when we exit the order. Okay, so the MA50 will act as a magnet, like I said in the beginning. Okay, the price will go back to the MA50. That's how it's worked for this strategy, like that. And all of these sell orders is in profit right now. And that's how you scalp using these two indicators, Bollinger Bands and moving average. I'd recommend doing some backtesting before you use this in live trading, guys. See for yourself how profitable this strategy is. If it clicks with you and consistently gives you profits, then go ahead and use it in real trading. From my own testing, the profitability is pretty high. But remember, you need enough capital to hold through floating losses. Be smart about managing your lot size, guys. That's it for today's tutorial. Hope this strategy brings you some profits in the market. Make sure you subscribe me, guys, because I drop tutorials like this regularly. Until next time.